project by Elizabeth at age unknown, probably a year or two ago. Okay. Animals build all sorts of houses to hide them from hunters, vultures, and bars. So here we have a fox lives in a den to hide from Pudar. We're not sure what Pudar are.
Hold on. I have to go in on the image. Okay. Next.
The teacher wrote this one, so it's good. A rabbit digs an underground home called a burrow, and there's the bunny.
Okay, I saw the bunny.
Alright. Raccoons slept during the day, in and at night
Raccoon.
as hunt. Raccoon in the tree sleeping. This says Tigger, but it's T-I-W-G-R.
T-I-W-G-R.
G-R. T-I-W-G-R. Spans they time in caves.
No, man. You didn't read the other one properly.
What did I?
It's at night at hunt.
I did read that.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
But here, originally we had a ranger, and this elephant here is hiding behind this tree. It's pretty good. Okay, here we see the duck-billed duck.
The pardon?
Okay, the Duke smack a nest in cat talls, so snacks can't eat the egg. And if you say that with more of a twang, Duke smack a nest in the cat talls, so the snacks can't eat the egg. It's better. Now here, again, I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to distinguish between the actual dam and the beeve, but here it says beeves make a hose with logs in a rive.
Back to the beeve. There she is.
There's the beeve. No limbs, just all beeve. Okay. Mice hide in holes in the hole, which is W-O-L-L-E. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Any suggestions? And there's the mouse. Beyonce's booty.
Beyonce.
Okay, and now this guy who's in the same branch as the raccoon, as we might add. An oily hunts for mice at night. Good job, Elizabeth.
Oh.
100%. 100 percentiles. Just for you.